The 5 best essential oils for hair growth. Essential oils are aromatic concentrated extracts from a plant. Their aroma carries a resemblance to the plant they are extracted from. They are volatile in nature and have been known to provide remedies to a plethora of problems. Benefits of essential oils for your hair. Number 1. Stimulate hair growth. A few drops of essential oil boost blood circulation, fight inflammation and add moisture to hair. Essentials oils such as rosemary and cedarwood can be used topically to help you prevent and reverse hair loss. Number 2. Get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is caused by the buildup of dead skin. It can also be caused by hair care products that contain chemical ingredients that leave your scalp red, itchy and scaly. The healing and moisturizing properties of essential oils like lavender and lemongrass help you to combat dandruff naturally, relieving common hair care issues like flaky and itchy scalp. Number 3. Nourish your hair. People tend to use hair care products that are doing more harm than good. Keratin treatment contains toxic ingredients like formaldehyde, which is known to be a human carcinogen. People using essential oils for hair is more safer and healthier. The hydrating, soothing, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties of essential oils work to nourish your hair naturally. Number 4. Prevent oily hair. The sebaceous glands are responsible for maintaining proper hydration levels through the oil that they produce. This is what gives your hair a healthy shine, but when your glands produce too much oil, it can make your hair look greasy. Peppermint essential oil can help you to control sebum production, leaving your hair oil-free and shiny. Number 5. Reduce stress and balance hormones. Stress triggers inflammation and induces hair follicle regression, hormone imbalance, leading to hair loss. Diffusing calming and stress-relieving essential oils like lavender and clary sage at home can help to reverse hair loss naturally. 5 best essential oils for hair growth. Number 1. Lavender essential oil. Lavender oil possesses hair growth-promoting effects. Animal research study has shown that topical application of lavender oil proved to significantly increase the number of hair follicles in female mice. Lavender oil was also able to deepen the depth of hair follicles and thicken the thermal layer. Lavender oil has antimicrobial properties, and it can be used to combat bacterial and fungal disorders. Lavender oil has the ability to soothe the scalp and heal dry skin and hair. Lavender oil can be used to create a tranquil and stress-free environment, contributing to hair regrowth. Number 2. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is used to increase cellular metabolism, which stimulates hair growth and promotes healing. Rosemary oil prevents baldness, slows hair graying process and treats dandruff and dry scalp. Number 3. Chamomile essential oil. Chamomile oil is a great essential oil for hair because it adds shine and softness to your hair while soothing your scalp. Chamomile essential oil can be used to lighten your hair naturally. Number 4. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil helps to stimulate the scalp, and it can treat dandruff and even lice due to its powerful antiseptic properties. An animal research study has shown that topical application of peppermint oil for 4 weeks showed prominent hair growth effects, increasing dermal thickness, follicle number and follicle depth. Number 5. Cedarwood essential oil. Cedar wood is used to help stimulate the hair follicles by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. Cedarwood promote hair growth, slow hair loss, treat thinning hair and various types of alopecia. Thanks for listening and watching. Like for this video is very appreciated. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. Wish you great health and wealth.